Hey there, what's up? It's your boy Sam here. I do have something awesome to share with you today. So a few weeks back, I was just like a lot of you guys super curious about Forex trading, but honestly, I was as lost as a kid in a candy store. Then boom, I found this Forex Beginners Academy course, and it's actually a completely free online course run by the one and only, the big boss, Sad Ali. So it's actually one of my friends, a classmate who proposed this course to me, and I was like, before this course, I was just bobbing around in the sea of Forex, no clue which way to swim. But this course, it's been my lifeboat. It's my compass, my GPS, has shown me the way. It's taken me from Forex Who to Forex Pro in no time. Actually, it's 3 weeks time, not very far, and I'm making an incredible progress. It has been a total game changer for me. It's like the ultimate Forex toolbox, so packed with everything you need. All this for free. Who can give you such a big opportunity? I learned a lot of stuff: support and resistance, Fibonacci, retracement, moving averages, moving average exponential. That's the word. And how to use these indicators, the trend lines, how to use channels, parallel channels. The whole process was just incredible. And it's not just the techie stuff. It's not just the techie stuff. Well, the good boss, the big boss here, God has covered on mindset, risk management, and candlestick analysis too. We also learned the various candlestick patterns, the bottom, the double bottom, the double top. I was loving the whole process. It's incredible, very cool. One of the coolest skills I actually have picked up is how to read and analyze these price charts on TradingView. It's like being able to read the matrix. It's been a massive part of my Forex journey, helping me make smart and informed decisions, on the in-time data. But what the cherry on top is this Facebook community. We've got this private student group where we can share markups and get feedback straight from Sad Ari himself, our instructor. And it's like having a personal Forex mentor, for free. This interactive vibe has been a huge part of my learning, helping me learn from my mistakes and level up my trading game. So, to wrap it up, this academy is the bomb. It is where to be. It is the place to be, If you have a dream that one day you want to trade Forex and you want to be a pro, this is the place to start. If you're looking to dive into Forex, this is your golden ticket. I can tell you for free, this is your golden ticket. Sad Ali's passion for teaching and his love for Forex is seriously contagious, man. Seriously contagious. I'm so stoked for this journey and can't wait to see where it takes me. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I wish you all nothing but success in your forex trading journey. Remember, every pro was once a beginner, and with the right guidance you can totally crush it, man. Peace.